Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Rubber Ducky Race! We've got 8 Trackmaster engines ready to compete, and we've matched them each up with a mini and a rubber ducky.
Did you really have to give me pink?
A rubber ducky race sounds like so much fun.
I know! I can't wait to see them go down the stream.
There'll be a mini and a rubber ducky waiting at each end of the track. And at the end of the competition, we'll race all of the rubber duckies to see who's going to cross the finish line first. Let's get started with Bill versus Gator.
Hello, my little ducky friend. I hope you are ready to win a race soon. Pay attention to the race course and look for the fast-flowing water. Avoid the grass and rocks so you don't get stuck. This is my duck, number 2. Watch him go all the way.
Next up, it's Thomas versus Luke.
My duck is blue, and he's the number 1 duck. Does that remind you of a certain engine from Sodor? Well, I like my number 1 duck, and I think he's gonna be number 1 when the race is all done.
And now, HIRO versus Ferdinand.
Hi there, Duck! I like your red color. And number 3's cool. But when we do the actual race, you don't want to get stuck up here in the grass. You're not going to go anywhere or win if that happens.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Flora versus Spencer.
Hi there, Duck. My name's Duck, just like you. And I'm green like you, too. You'd better get some practice in for the big race. I'm counting on you to win this thing and represent all of us ducks. You're gonna do great. Now, just follow me and I'll show you how it's done. Hey, I was supposed to go first. Whee! This water's cold. You're a pro. I think you've got the hang of it.
It's time to start the semi-finals with Bill versus Luke. That's right, Bill is in the finals, but who will he face? Ferdinand or Spencer?
Wow, I see you're anxious to get racing. You can't get stuck! That's better, but keep going! Oh, you're a natural at this! We're gonna do great! Now anytime you get stuck, just picture me me chasing after you with Pinchy. That ought to motivate you.
Final round. Bill versus Spencer.
Woo! I didn't know we were gonna land in the water. I'm not part of the race. Hey, Duckie, come back! Come back, Duckie! Don't race yet! Whoa, he's fast! Look at him go already! It's not time to do the race yet, Duckie! Come back! Come back! We need to be at the starting line! Whew! He stopped! Thank goodness! Someone, go get that duck and bring him to the starting line! I want a chance at winning this thing! Someone, while you're at it, come get me out of the water! I'm gonna sink! Get me out of here! Duckie race time!
That's right. And which ducky will you be rooting for? Each one has a different number. And look, even Wonder Woman has joined the competition. The minis will be waiting at the finish line for their ducky. And the duckies are at the starting line. And now they're on their way. It looks like there's a pink duck and a red duck in the lead. Now it's all about the pink duck. Wow, look at it go. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh, and now the red duck is stuck. Here comes a blue duck. It's the number 1 duck. He's going and going. Will anything stop number 1 from crossing the finish line first? Uh-oh. Oh, now he's free. And here comes the finish line log. He's done it. Blue ducky number 1 has won. The minis were so excited they fell off the log. Blue duck number 1 has won the race. And Bill has won the competition.
What a silly doggy!
Well, there's no better way to cool off from the hot sun than jumping in the water.